On behalf of NIMI, I welcome you all to the welder trade video session. Today I am going to explain Hacksaw frames and blades. Before going to explain Hacksaw frames and blade, I would like to start with some example. If you want to stitch the shirt, what will you do? Go to purchase your favorite shirt, then go to the tailor shop. The tailor take measurement according to the shirt with help of your tape. Then transfer the measurement to the cloth with help of marker. Based on the witness marking, used to cut the size as per the with help of the scissor. Then stitch go to the required shape. So you can understand, if you want to make a shirt, what are the skills it is need? Not only the stitch, if it is need for measuring skill, marking skill and cutting skill. So that as a welder, if you want to make a job, it is required the skills like the measuring, marking, cutting and the related field work. The cutting skill used for hacksaw and blade, it is the base fundamental cutting tools in a workshop. Now I would like to share the knowledges about the hacksaw frames and blade. The hacksaw is one of the hand cutting tool. It is made with different sections. It is also used to cut a slot or counter. Now we will see the parts and function. In hand hacksaw, there are two main parts are there. One is frame, another one is blade. Frame is the parts of fixed blade and handle is the purpose of holding. Fixed the holder, it's having a two holders for blade fixing, one for fixed blade holder, another one is adjustable. Between the two holders, the blade can be held with use of wing nut. It is used for the hand tight of the blade. Blade is the hand hacksaw used for cutting tool, because as the usages of blade and hacksaw frame, it is classified into two types. One is a solid frame, another one is adjustable frame. In a solid frame, we can see the fitted only the one particular standard length of the blade, because in the solid frame, distance between the fixed blade and the holder cannot be adjusted, so that we can fix only the one size blade. Then another one is adjustable frame. In this adjustable frame, the distance between the two adjustable blade, it can be interchangeable, so that according to the size, we can change the size, we can adjust the limited due to with help of the blade adjustment frame and with the adjustable of the blade holder. So due to the reasons we can hold. The adjustable frame again classified based on the metal section, like one is flat type, another one is tubular. The flat type adjustable frame is heavy weight. This type of frame can be used in where the people have heavy metal cutting is needed, more force and load applied. For example, more thickness job cutting places and hard metal cutting places. Next one is tubular type adjustable frame. This is the lightweight. This is most commonly used. It gives the better grip and control while showing less thickness job like pipe, sheet and curve cutting. Now we will go to the next part of the hacksaw blade. A hacksaw blade is a thin narrow steel bend. Teeth are cut at the edge of the blade. The blade has two pinholes at the end. These pinholes are used to hold the blade on a frame. The length of the blade is also decided between the distance of the two pinhole centers. The standard length of blade is 200 mm and 300 mm. The blade is made of either alloy steel or high speed steel. According to the type of hardening the blade, it has been classified in two types. One is all hardened blade and another one is flexible blade. Now we see the all hardened blade. This type of blade is hardened between the two pinholes. That means full length of the blade portions is hardened. Next one is flexible blade. For this type of blade is hardened only the teeth portion, because this blade need some flexible so that we can use to for the curve cutting and thin places. Next we go to the see pitch of the blade. First we see what is the pitch. Pitch is nothing, that is distance between the two teeth cutting edges is known as pitch of the blade. According to the length of the pitch of the blade again classified like coarse, medium and fine. Now see what is the meaning of coarse. Coarse means which the pitch is size is 1 mm. Medium means which is the pitch size is from 1.0 mm to 1.4 mm, and fine pitch means which the pitch size is 0.8 mm. Now we see the uses. Coarse pitch blade can be used for hard metal and heavy metal cutting and more thickness job. Medium pitch blade can be used for medium cutting place. The fine pitch blade can be used for pipe cutting and sheet cutting purpose. Then we see how to specify the Hacksaw. Hacksaw blades are specified according to the length and pitch of the type of the hardness. Next one is setting of the saw. To prevent the saw blade bending between the edges when penetrating into the material and to allow free movement of the blade, the width of the cut is to be broader than the thickness of the saw blade. This is achieved by the setting of saw teeth. There are two types of setting. One is staggered set, another one is wave set. In the staggered set, the type of teeth are arranged one by one with a group of teeth. So these arrangements help to cutting the provides a good of the chip clearance. In a wave set, the teeth are arranged based in a wave form. So this blade can be classified based on this pitch size. The blade pitch is 0.8 mm, the blade teeth is maybe a wave set. If the blade is pitch in 1 mm, the blade teeth may be a wave or staggered setting. If the blade is pitch is over than 1 mm, the blade teeth is a staggered. If you want to be best result hacksawing, it is depends upon the selections of the right specifications of the blade like length, pitch and type of the hardened, then fitted on the hacksaw frame. I hope you are all understand about hacksaw frames and blades. Thank you.